Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I've got something pretty heavy. It's actually really heavy, probably like 4 pounds or more. It does have a fragile liquid handle with care sticker on it though. Okay, and this is what I got. It's an Influencer Voxbox. I haven't got one in a minute. That's what I did. I don't think I did a video on it. I did, but I never uploaded it. So hashtag ad, hashtag got it for free, hashtag complimentary for review. I don't know. Let's get that out. They'll have it in the thing. You're supposed to say all that nowadays. So yeah, Influencer is an app, or they prefer you to be on the app. And you submit picture, do reviews, they answer questions, ask questions on all sorts of things. You mainly want to gear it to what you hope to receive in a Voxbox. There's no guarantee. I've literally gone almost a year, maybe not a year, maybe like 6 months without a Voxbox. And then sometimes I'll go and do some reviews and sometimes I don't feel like it. You can do your snaps, which can be on a variety of products. Or when you upload a picture under some kind of hashtag and you tag products and they want you to review those products. And a lot of times I'm like, I just tried that product one time. I don't want to really uber give it a review yet. But anyway, well, you just like skip that and do it later. But it's fine. But anyway, I'm really interested. They sent me this survey and it had all sorts of things. I've seen all sorts of people get Voxboxes. Like you could have got an ABH brow thing. You could have got shapewear sets. Shampoo, conditioner. Of course, I tend to get those on. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah, this says Love, Beauty, and Planet. That's what the heart is for. Clean Oceans Edition. Bottle made from 100% ocean-bound plastic. Once you get your box, you have to usually check it in. You have to post pictures, post a review type of thing. But that's like, they don't make it mandatory you opt in on the survey if you want to even attempt it. But in order to receive more Voxboxes, you have to complete the task. The only ones I really don't do anymore are the digital ones where they want you to buy something. I just got tired of buying stuff, so I was like, I ain't buying nothing anymore. Which is probably why I haven't got a Voxbox anymore. So, wow, it is 3 full-size stuff. I've kind of heard of this brand. Haven't tried this brand yet. Let's see what it says. Love, Beauty, and Planet. Love, Beauty, and Planet started with one goal: to make you feel beautiful and give a little love to our planet. We want to help make a little difference towards a happier, less wasteful planet. Our approach is a holistic one, encompassing the entire product life cycle and beyond. We've given careful thought to our ingredients, product packaging, and social partnership. We call it our passionate journey of hashtag small acts of love, and we're just getting started. Find out how at www.lovebeautyandplanet.com. And this is the Clean Oceans Edition. With our Clean Oceans line, you can contribute your small act of love to the planet. These special limited edition bottles are inspired by our love for the ocean and are made from 100% ocean-bound plastic. The plastic is gathered from within 9.3 miles of the Taiwanese coastline and then transformed into these unique bottles. We pack each bottle with goodness, bringing a little love to you and the ocean. And we're not stopping here. We're also donating $250,000 toward protecting and cleaning America's beaches and oceans. Each product in this Love, Beauty, and Planet Clean line is infused with blue-green algae and the invigorating scent of eucalyptus. That's what I'm smelling. Like I smell it through here. I was wondering what I was smelling. The range includes our Marine Moisture Shampoo. This is conditioner, so shampoo. It's a little clearer. Conditioner. I kind of like the wide mouth bottles. And Marine Hydration Body Lotion. And it gives your steps on how to check this in. So this is interesting. I like the whole message. Clean up beaches. Why not? This lotion says an instant splash of hydration to your skin. This moisturizing body lotion infused with blue-green algae and an invigorating eucalyptus scent leaves your skin feel nourished and restored. Yes, natural blue-green algae. Yes, ethically sourced eucalyptus. Yes, cruelty-free. Yes, vegan. It's formulated without phthalates, yes, with plant-based moisturizer. No silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. So that is cool. This Marine Moisture, these are moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. I'm really not sure. But I'm guessing so. I guess I'll give it a whirl. Why not? I mean, I don't have a lot of hair now, so let's see how I like it. Maybe I'll fall in love with it. You know, I found some good brands. Like Hair Food was my brand until my hair went all frizzy, which was totally not Hair Food's fault. But yeah, Hair Food is still my brand actually on the weekend. Like I have a tea tree one I like. So yeah, and I've got that like the full size, the ginormous one, like through Influencer too. So and it's like eucalyptus. That's nice. I will use that soon. So that was my Voxbox. Stay tuned. I'm sure I'll have to post reviews on Instagram and Twitter, but not. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.